Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I have a favorites video for you guys, and this is actually going to be a series. So today's video is actually going to be my natural hair favorites of 2021, so stick around and stay tuned so you guys can see my favorites from this year. Alright, you guys, so I don't know if you've noticed, but my channel has kind of taken a turn. Alright, and the turn for the better. I've been experimenting with trying out different kinds of content and incorporating different things. So you guys have seen me try to vlog, and I still put in some natural hair stuff in there. I definitely have done a lot of natural hair shorts as that feature is fairly new, so I wanted to try that out. My channel is not solely just natural hair anymore. I see myself veering off more into fashion and also more lifestyle content. So you guys will definitely be seeing that on my channel. So people that are here for natural hair content, you will definitely still see natural hair content. You will just not see it as often as I used to do it. Alright, so after all that rambling, let's get into the video. I do want to say it's not going to be a whole lot of products. I kind of want to do it how I did last year, and it's mainly going to be the products I used most. So not necessarily product empties, but products that I'm always grabbing for, or when I run out of them, I need to get a new one. Okay, so the first product is the Melanin Hair Care Black Soap Shampoo. I really love this shampoo, guys, and I know some people really don't care for it, but this shampoo is just everything to me. This is actually my second bottle, and it's almost gone, so I'm gonna need some more. Every week, I shampoo my hair. Even when I co-wash, I still shampoo, which probably makes no sense at all, but listen, it's something about me and a clean scalp. A squeaky clean feeling, that's what I'm always going for, but I do not want my hair to be stripped or feel super dry, and the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Shampoo does that for me. I like to do 2 washes. First wash to be pretty moisturizing, and then the second one to really strip my hair down, but still leave it with some moisture, but really cleanse my scalp. So maybe I shouldn't have said strip, but whatever. I know y'all don't like that word. I like this shampoo, all right? I actually love this shampoo, so I definitely will be picking up another one. So this is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Sulfate-Free Shampoo, which I really shouldn't be using because I'm allergic to nuts, you guys. But I don't have any problems when I use it. I have been using it for a few months now, and I always find myself reaching for this shampoo. Now, I did get some other products. I actually found this at Marshall's. So I bought a Design Essentials leave-in because I see people raving about Design Essentials all the time. And I got a TGIN, their Rose Water Gel. So out of that purchase, out of the 3 natural hair things I got, this one shined the most. I didn't like the Design Essentials leave-in, and I didn't like the TGIN gel for my hair. But this shampoo, I keep reaching for. It feels really, really good, and much like the African Black Soap Shampoo, within 2 washes, my hair still feels really moisturized and my scalp feels really super clean. Alright, so I really like this. I can't really speak to anything else in this line, but I like the shampoo. For the next product is the Trelux Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. Okay, so this is a really nice shampoo, and like the other 2, it is moisturizing and will get your scalp feeling really, really nice and clean, squeaky clean, while also keeping your curls moisturized and intact. Especially for me, it's very hard to find a shampoo that can do that. So these 3 I've been reaching for the most. As you can see, the African Black Soap one is almost done. So is the Design Essentials one. And this one is dang near completely empty. I could probably get 1 scoop out, but I'm just gonna throw it away. Oh, I got a little bit. I got a tiny bit in here. I got like, I can't even, it's so tiny I can't pump it. So this is done, but it is definitely a repurchase for me, and I'm gonna get some more. I really love this shampoo. So the next thing that I really grabbed for a lot, and so much so that I bought like 5 of these things. So this is the green tea rinse from Bad & Boho. I really love this, and it's really helped like reduce the shedding. I expressed how I have some breakage like right here in the center. I noticed since using this, the hair there has grown a lot. So I've been using this a lot, and just like in the review I did for this one, I didn't rinse it out really. I've been spraying it and leaving it on my hair, but this definitely helps. This green tea rinse smells amazing, and it definitely helps to reduce shedding. Okay, and if you have any areas where you have breakage or anything, I highly recommend this because this has definitely helped me. Like, my center area is grown so much I can't even really find the breakage. It's really like right here. It's around this area. I know it's in this center area, but I don't know. Like, I really can't find it. I wish I could. You know what? I might have to tackle that after this. But this really helped me. And like I said, it smells amazing. Definitely check them out, guys. You won't be disappointed. One of my biggest things was to fix the breakage in the center of my head. And this really helped with that. This next product is a little dirty. A little dirt. But that's a good thing. That means I've been reaching for this product a lot, and I really have been. So this next product is the Tailored Beauty Flexible Curl Potion Mousse from their Golden Herbal Collection. I really love this. So with my twist outs, I've been using a mousse a lot more because a twist cream and a hair mousse and even a gel will give you like the most immaculate hold that you'll ever get, okay? So I like to use those three things. But I noticed that even when I stretch my hair too, I get a really nice stretch and my hair doesn't like shrink up, and my results always look popping. This is definitely a repurchase for me. I'm definitely gonna get another one, and this is a favorite. Like, I love this for a twist out. So if you are looking to get more hold with your twist outs or whatever your style is, or you want your style to last longer, definitely try using a mousse with your products. Okay, so this next product right here, I really love, and I've used it all. It's completely gone. I can't even scrape anything if I wanted to. This is the Renew Queen Essential Sleek Edge Control. I really love this edge control, you guys. This by far is one of the best edge controls I've ever used. It's so good that I've retired all my other edge controls. I always grab for this one. That's why it's gone. This one, I don't need to apply anything else. Like, sometimes edge control will flake on me. I have to apply an oil or something or restyle them, whatever. This one doesn't ever give me problems. And on top of that, this one really holds your edges. I did this one style and I literally didn't even use an edge brush. I just scooped the edge control out and like slicked it back on my hair, and it stayed. Okay, I didn't wrap my hair or anything, okay, and it just stayed like that. And it gives a really nice shine and a really nice like glossy finish. But I'm gonna get a couple more of these because like this edge control makes me not want to use anything else. I promise you that. Like, no other edge control really compares for me. I haven't ever had, like, I can't stop talking good about this edge control because I haven't had an edge control that does what this does for me. And this is not sponsored in any way as well. Like, I've worked with them, but no, they're not telling me to say this, nothing, okay? This is my favorite products video, and this is truly a favorite product for me. Actually, a couple of these brands I've worked with is on my favorites list. So these things are not necessarily natural hair products, I guess, but these are natural hair accessories, and these are my favorites that I reach for all the time. So I have a silk, or you can get satin, but I have silk scrunchies. And you could just pick these up for Amazon. I'll find the link to the one I have. I have a whole bag of like 40 that I only paid $10 for. This one is from a different brand. These ones are a little more higher quality. These are actually from Organic Beauty Essence. And I really like using silk and satin scrunchies to stretch my hair. And it's a lot more gentle on your hair. And then next I have headbands. I really love headbands, especially when I do buns. Whether it's a sleek back bun or a top bun, I really like to wear a headband with it. And just, I don't know, something about it just really sets off my bun. So this is a headband from Solvation. If you guys haven't heard of them, I definitely recommend checking them out. They have some really nice headbands. Their headbands give off this feel like you kind of tied these knots and these little special and fancy bows on your own, when the gag is you really did not. It's just like the design is the illusion of it all. So definitely check them out. This one has like a little front knot, super cute. They have a turban style one. They have, go check them out. Okay, period. Just check them out. All right, you guys. And last but not least, I feel like some of you guys may feel this coming because I feel like I talk about these products all the time, and it's a Main Choice gel. I don't even have a specific one that is my favorite. I've been using this one the most as of lately, but when I use this one up, I'm just gonna go to another one. I have a couple different Main Choice gels from different lines, and they're really all the same. Okay, they all have the same goopy texture. This is my favorite. This is my all-time favorite. I love a Main Choice gel. Like, I definitely recommend picking one up. If you've never tried a Main Choice gel, you should try a Main Choice gel. You guys, these gels are really nice. No gel seems to define my curls the way this one does. When I use Main Choice gels on my hair, I always get beautiful results. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. These were my natural hair favorite products of 2021. Let me know in the comment section below if you've used any of these products. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Are they your favorites too? Do you have any alternatives? I am open to trying new products, which I really need to be using the products in my stash, but I am still open to using new natural hair products. So let's chat in the comment section below. Let me know, let me know. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
I need you.